Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Warda Nugra Ahmad. I am from class TI 23T Nusa Putra University. This time I will explain about algorithm and data structures. What is algorithm? Algorithm are method or steps that are framed in an organized and sequential manner to solve problem with an instruction or activity. Nah, algorithm comes from the word algorithm and rhythmic, which was first introduced by Abu Ja'far Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khawarizmi in age 25 AD in the book Al-Jabar Ma'al Muqabla. In the field of programming, the algorithm is defined as a method consisting of a series of structured and systematic steps to solve problems with the help of computers. Okay, from analogy, the algorithm. Nah, this is the problem. Creating an algorithm begin with a problem, and then algorithm create an algorithm to guide program variation, and then computer program in accordance with algorithm guidance, and the last solution will be achieved. Okay, this is algorithm notation. What is algorithm notation? Algorithmic notation is a way to organize step or instruction in a certain order to solve a problem or task systematically. This notation allows us to clearly document a step-by-step plan is a form that can be understood to both human and computers. Now, for example, algorithm notation, number one is descriptive sentence. What is descriptive sentence? Descriptive algorithm notation is a representation that presents a sequence of process in the form of narrative sentence. Sentence were used clear and unambiguous language. Okay, for example, for descriptive sentence is calculating the area of a square. 1. Enter the width and length value. 2. Calculate the area equal to length times width. And 3. Display the area. Okay, next example algorithm notation is a flowchart. Flowchart is a diagram that shows a process consisting of symbols that represent step, decision, input, and output. Flowchart symbol usually the standard according to NC and ISO. Okay, this is for example from flowchart. Calculating the area of a square. Okay, this is star, then input length and width, and formula from area is length times width, and then output area and the rest is finished. Okay, next example algorithm notation is pseudocode. Pseudocode is not a programming language, so it cannot be directly comprehended as a program carried out by computer or machine. Pseudocode usually use simple syntax, usually in English. The goal is to design to code for a program before writing it in a programming language. Okay, this is for example from pseudocode. Calculating the area of a square. One input length, then input width, then formula from area is length times width, and the last output the area. Okay, next I will explain about data structures. What is data structures? Data structure is a way of organizing and storing a structure in a computer system or database so that the data is easier to access. Technically, the data can be in the form of number, letters, and symbols that are placed in certain column and organized very well. Now, in data structure, there are two terms that you need to understand. Number one is node and number two is index. What is node? Now, node is an element in a structure that contains a pointer to the next node. And next, what is the index? Now, index an object in the database that can speed up access when searching for data. Okay, next types of data structure. Now, this is types of data structures, namely array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph, and hash table. But this time I will explain three types of data structures, namely linked list, stack, and queue. Okay. Next, what is linked list? Linked list connect data element to a series of nodes. Each node contains the actual data, any type of data, and a pointer or link. In a linked list, searching for data is done manually. The basic operation is a linked list are adding, deleting, and searching for item from the list. Okay, this is the example from linked list. Now, I'm using a Reflit for the example. Okay, if we run, now this is the code for linked list using Python. Okay, okay. Next is stack. Now, stack is data structure that remove or insert new item at the top of stack. Imagine a stack is a file of books. When someone went to take a book that is in the middle of the stack, that person must take the book on top it of it first. Stack uses the LIFO, last in, first out concept. This means that the last item added to the stack is the first item that will come out from of the stack. Okay, this is the example for stack using Python. Okay, if we run, nah, from first in is A, B, C. Nah, then element forward from stack is C, B, E, and this is code from stack using Python. Okay, next, the last is queue. Queue is a linear data type where analysts can only insert or add element at the very back, while deleting element can only be done at the very front. Simply put, a queue is just like a line at the self-service checkout. The person at the front of the queue will be saved first. Consequently, people who are the back of the queue they are selfless. Queue using the FIFO first in, first out concept. The only element that can be deleted is the one at the front. At the front. Okay. For example, this is code queue using Python. If we run this code, nah, uh, this is first in is A, B, and C, and the first out is A, B, and C. Okay, this is code for Q using Python. Nah, this is my explanation about algorithm and data structures. Thank you for watching and see you again.